Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from First Bank to UBA in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with friends, sending money to family, or just managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. With banking apps evolving, we'll focus on the latest features for a seamless experience. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the First Bank mobile app installed on your phone and updated to the 2025 version. Open the app and log in using your username and password or biometric authentication for added security. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard and look for the Transfer or Payments section. It's usually right at the top for easy access. Next, select the option for interbank transfers. You'll see a list of banks. Choose UBA from the drop-down menu. Now, enter the recipient's details carefully. This includes their UBA account number, which you can get from them directly, and double-check it to avoid any errors. Type in the amount you want to transfer, and if prompted, add a short description or reference for the transaction, like gift or payment, to keep things organized. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. Ensure the amount is correct, the account details match, and you have sufficient funds in your First Bank account. Once you're good, tap the Confirm button. You'll likely get a one-time PIN, OTP, sent to your registered phone number. Enter that to authorize the transfer. And just like that, your money is on its way. In 2025, First Bank might have added features like instant notifications or biometric approvals, so keep an eye out for those to make transfers even faster. Remember, always transfer during banking hours to avoid delays, and never share your OTP with anyone. That's it for this tutorial. You've now mastered transferring money from First Bank to UBA. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.